Hi, I'm Connie from Free Motion by the River, and today I'm going to open my Sew Sampler box for March. This is a monthly subscription that I buy, and let's take a look and see what's in here. Handy dandy cutter. Spring Revival, March 2025. Well, with us flowering, they have a cutting mat that you can receive if you spend $40. There's a quilt along, and then another free quilt pattern. So let's see what's in here. Not looking. Lots of goodies. Okay, let's start with this. Oh, iron cleaner. Huh, feels like a liquid. Let's read about this. This is an iron cleaner. The iron cleaner by Odif is your new best friend for a spotless pressing session. Say goodbye to any residue and fusible gunk with the acid-free wonder. Just heat your iron, dab some cleaner on the 100% cotton towel and gently rub this sole plate in circular motions. Once it's sparkling clean, do a final wipe on a clean towel to erase any leftover cleaner. Your iron will be ready to press on shiny and new. It's $6.48. My iron doesn't really get dirty. I don't use spray starch and different things, so this might be in a giveaway. Okay. What is this? Oh, it's moving. How do I turn it off? Ooh, oh, there's a button. Okay, what is this? Okay, pink mini, it's a mini vacuum. Oh, that's kind of cute. Here's a little, it's a little USB-C cord to charge it. Yeah. A mini vacuum cleaner. Okay. This mini vacuum makes it easy to revive your sewing room. Turn it on and sweep it over any cutting mat, ironing board, or design wall to instantly clear away lint, dust, threads, and fabric bits. With a charging cord and easy to hold shape, the pink mini vacuum is a clear winner. It comes with a USB charging cable, a vacuum nozzle, and a small electrical brush. Oh, there it is. Here's a small brush, and oh my gosh, a nozzle. I don't know. I'll have to try it on my design wall and see what it does. The value of this is $8.98. Pretty cute. Olfa 45mm rotary blades. You can always use these. Olfa Endurance 45mm rotary blades. The value of this is $14.98. Crafted from special quality steel, the Olfa Endurance rotary blade with a trusty 45mm cutter cuts like a dream, lasting twice as long as regular blades. It stays sharp for ages and breezes through cotton, wool, paper, vinyl, leather, and more. Keep your quilt mojo going with nice clean cuts. And there is one of them in here for $14.98. That's twice as long. So I'll have to try that out. That sounds pretty cool. Let's see. This just talks about the vacuum. Waterfall quilt pattern. And this is what I'm going to use the fabric for. Peaceful basket. Looks like this is block 12. It's the last one. And there is directions on how to set your blocks. So that means next month I'll be starting something new. So, the fabric. This is what we always want to see. Get it open. I can do it. Maybe I can do it. Maybe I can't do it. Carefully. My gosh. Got it. Did not want to cut the fabric. Okay. This is called New Beginnings for Riley Blake. Pretty. Let's read about it. Waterfall New Beginnings, Petite Fat Quarter Bundle by Sandy Gervas. Beautiful. The value of this is $28.98. Welcome Spring with Open Arms and New Beginnings by Sandy Gervas for Riley Blake Designs. This collection is a delightful mix of stunning florals and geometric prints in a dreamy palette of cream, apricot, blush, buttercream, and teal. This 10-piece fat quarter bundle holds each lovely hue, and your sewing machine will hum with the joy as you craft your springtime masterpieces. That is a beautiful collection. It really looks like spring. And I will open these up and give you a better look at the colors. So that was what was in the March Sew Sampler Box. More on the little vacuum. So let me see if I got everything. I believe I do. The pattern, the waterfall pattern, is 56 by 68. Looks like a very simple pattern. That would be a great way to use the fabrics. The value of this is $9.98. I think that is listing everything that is on here. So I will give you a closer look at the fabrics. Let me know what you think of this. Here's a closer look at everything that was in the March Sew Sampler Box from Fat Quarter Shop. Like I said, this is a monthly subscription. I'll have a link below. I do enjoy it. But what I wanted to show you was the fabrics. They're beautiful. There are 10 of them. This is the pattern. So you can see that one, the rose, diagonal stripe, cute, nice tone on tone. There's teal or sage with some little flowers. There's a peach along with it. Larger floral in 2 different colors. I think the fabrics are beautiful. It's going to be fun to work with them. So let me know, do you get the Fat Quarter Shop Sew Sampler Box? And if you do, what do you think of this month's box? Thanks a lot. I'm also thinking about using the fabrics to make this Fat Quarter Snowball Shortcut Quilt pattern. Those are always fun patterns, and this is a free download that you can find at the Fat Quarter Shop website. Thanks.